Hello, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G200. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning let's open Settings and go to Security. Now enter screen lock, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks: None, Swipe, Pattern, PIN and Password. Let's select None. Swipe, password, PIN, and at the end pattern. Now we can set fingerprint. Our fingerprint scanner is right here. Last way to unlock the phone is face unlock. Simply scan your face and use it to unlock your phone. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.